Welcome to LeadSub, your partner for Father's Day gift sourcing. This guide is for design agencies, gift shop owners, and wholesalers. Let's explore our 2026 Father's Day best-selling collection. First, our Men's Essentials and Accessories series. Here are blank bottle openers, lighters, and wine stoppers. Premium metal keychains and wallets. See the pattern transfer process. Precision coating ensures vibrant image reproduction. Durable, stylish, and perfect for Father's Day gifting. Second, our Daily Lifestyle and Utility series. Blank fishing hooks, coasters, and mouse pads. Classic ceramic mugs and stainless steel water bottles. See the heat transfer process in action. Strong coating ensures vibrant and long-lasting prints. Ideal for outdoor lovers and active dads. Third, our Home Decor series. Here are premium photo frames and ceramic plates, blank puzzles, ornament, and lifestyle accessories. Watch the full customization workflow. From blank product to finished design. Clean finish with commercial-grade quality. A complete gift solution for retail and wholesale. LeadSub offers large-scale manufacturing and stable supply. Extensive inventory ready for global distribution. Factory direct pricing for bulk orders. Fast production for peak season demands. Contact us for the 2026 catalog and quotation. Grow your Father's Day business with LeadSub.